Hi, welcome back. And this audio series is the quantum code for life secrets to success. We're going to be talking about scientific concept number 3, quantum entanglement. Let's consider and plainly state what we said before. In essence, particles exist in duality. They are particles in time and space, but more importantly and significantly, they also exist as wave frequencies not relevant to space and time. It was described by the double-slit experiment that when particles of energy are not being observed or measured, they are, in essence, waves of energy not defined by time or space. They are waves of energy of infinite possibility. Why or how? Scientists to this day don't know. But the double-slit experiment demonstrated with very clear observable evidence that when the photon was shot toward the sheet of metal with 2 holes, it went through both holes on each side simultaneously and both holes individually at separate times. It went through the left slit, then the right slit, and then both at the same time. The photon did all 3 actions in the same instant. How and why can one particle of energy do 3 things in the same moment in time? Again, there's no explanation demonstrated as to the mechanics, but since the experiment showed that the photon was able to do all 3 movements, going through each hole individually and going in through each hole at the same time, demonstrates that particles are, in essence, anywhere, everywhere, and nowhere. The conclusion then proves that electrons are omnipresent, everywhere, at every instant in time and space. It also showed that they are only defined in time and space when chosen to be observed. Albert Einstein said that he didn't like the implications of quantum physics because he wanted to believe that the moon was still there even though he was not looking at it. They are particles of infinite possibility because they are defined in time and space when observed. But they are anywhere, nowhere, and everywhere at the same time when not observed. This gives way to quantum entanglement. This describes that particles are in a symphony of immediate communication. It has been proven that a particle specifically defined in space and in time can affect another particle somewhere else, or anywhere else in time and space, in an instant, no matter the distance. They could be an inch away from each other, or they could be as far away as the other side of the galaxy, or trillions of light years away. This suggests that information seems to be able to travel instantaneously regardless of distance. And this is because one particle can be in one place and in an infinite amount of places at the same time. These particles of energy have been observed doing all kinds of things, from becoming invisible, from being in 2 places at the same time, and even traveling back in time and changing the past. And this may sound bizarre, but the double-slit experiment does prove that at a quantum level the particles behave as such. This also suggests that we may be living in a holographic universe, and that a solid universe is only an illusion. If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. A quote by Nikola Tesla. Great, this is the end of this riff. If you desire to hack the law of attraction to make your dreams and desires a reality, I highly encourage you that you continue to listen to the Quantum Code for Life Secrets to Success by pressing that button and subscribe to my channel. Also, go ahead and put a like on the video so you can continue to be notified of all my fresh content. Consider being one of the first to comment by sharing what you like best so that fresh knowledge gets locked in into your mind. I thank you for tuning in. Remember that you are an engine geared into the willwork of the universe, whose influence extends into infinite distance.